CBB plugin includes a library of pre-built blocks. All blocks in this library have been created by the plugin itself directly in the block editor. In this tutorial, we'll use the header basic layout block to replace the default header from the 2023 theme. The first step is navigating to the block library page. This header block depends on the CBB Block plugin. We have to install it first to use this block. We can install the plugin just by clicking on the installation button. The page will automatically reload after the plugin is installed and activated. When the block is ready, click on the preview to import the block. Edit it to input a menu for the navigation block. The next step is creating a new header template part to use this new block. Let's replace the default header template part by the new one. Test the new header. You can customize the header to match your design by using the Style Builder features. For example, let's stop the header from sticking at the top. You can also create your own header block. If you need help, please check out the video tutorial for creating this basic header layout. The video link is in the description. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more upcoming videos.